Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. First, check your Apple ID and Wi-Fi connection. This allows background downloads. Once done, open Settings and tap App Store. Now enable automatic downloads for app updates. This tells iOS to install newer versions without asking. Also make sure low power mode is off because it pauses auto updates to save battery. If you plan to use cellular, keep reading, there's a separate toggle for that. This gets the system primed so updates can flow automatically. Now fine-tune how updates download. In App Store settings, enable use mobile data for app downloads if you want updates over cellular. Set the data limit when prompted. Next, go to General Background App Refresh and confirm it's on. This helps apps update content and prepares them to install new versions. Also check iPhone storage and free space. Automatic installs need room. Once these are set, the system will auto-queue updates. When conditions like Wi-Fi finish by validating, open the App Store, tap your profile, and pull down to refresh. Any pending updates should show and auto-installations will begin when conditions match. If an app won't update, restart your iPhone and try again. This often clears a stuck process. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or reset network settings to fix Wi-Fi related issues. These steps resolve most failures, and remember, disabling low power mode and having enough storage usually fixes auto-update blocks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.